One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. We got one more topic. Let's talk about that. And this is some of Lyft's top earners, top driving or top earning drivers advice.
Well,
what do they have to say?
This was on their blog. I give them kudos. You know, Uber will never do this, by the way. You know, to all the newbies,
they just steal behind the wheel.
Yeah, it's just garbage there over like fucking. So this is their top earning drivers on the Lyft platform, October 8th, 2024. So they put it on their blog, and they spilled all the secrets out. Those drivers probably watch Show Me the Money. You know, we've been saying these things for 7 years now. Literally, when I started writing for, you know, I've been writing for Rideshare Guy for 7 years now, Chris. Did you know that?
Wow. Congrats.
And doing the monkey thing on the YouTube channel for like almost 2.5. But my point is, they came up, they asked these drivers, what is the secret sauce? What is the secret to your success? You know how they ask people who've been married for 50 years, what's the secret? Yep. I'm like, shut up. That's the secret. But this is not earth-shattering, right? But at least, see, if you're a brand new driver, right? You're just signing on to Lyft, and you read something like this, you have a leg up, because these are all true. These are all things we've been saying for years, right? Know your hometown's event schedule. When it's busy, use the stay within area filter. Uber would never do this. I swear to God, they would never do this. They would do some hocus pocus stuff. They would put some colors. They put some bars. They go like, go here, go there. Take full advantage of the bonuses. Exactly. We always tell you guys, stack them. If you have bonuses, if you have them, stack them. You know, if you have a ride challenge, you use the 5 mile filter, give your back to the water, so you cut half of it off. All these things that we've been saying on this channel, and Lyft asked their 7 drivers, or top 7 favorite tips to the top drivers. Use the head to destination filter. This, I'm not sure about that. That's a pass on me. DF does not work. Let's go to the next one. Let's see what else these geniuses said. Let the app tell you where the riders are and go there early. No, don't go there early. But although this kind of falls in with the 3P schedule, right? Positioning yourself, I think they're trying to say, right? I kind of agree with that. Opt for schedule rides, absolutely. Like, I'm going to try to hopefully get one tomorrow morning going to LAX. And let the app tell you where the other drivers are. That's really not that accurate. So, but this is awesome.
And don't go there.
Yeah, don't go there. Yeah, when they go west, you go east.
You gotta zag when they zig and zig when they zag.
Yeah, but you know, in this day and age, Chris, there are so many cars. I've done this like for the last 6 months. Like, I turn my passenger app, I look at it, 8 cars here. Okay, let me go here. Next corner, literally next corner I go, there's 8 cars there. Like, it's impossible to get away these days. So that's not gonna work. But you know, I tip my hat to Lyft. You know, they're putting out some good stuff to teach, you know, new tricks to dogs, old dogs, new dogs, whatever they are, and we all know these. So
yeah. So pretty interesting. Good to see. I hope that helps some drivers. And
yeah,
you know, obviously, if you're watching RSG, it's going to give you a little bit more insight, updates, and the other thing too that they don't tell you, and they will not put on that multi-app. Put your time to the highest bidder.
Yes, by far. Like, I did a call this morning with some group. There was one driver from College Town. Is College Town, Texas? Is that like Texas A&M? Is that where it's at?
Sure. Sounds right.
Okay. So he was like, I love Lyft. I only do Lyft. And I was like one of the speakers. So I said, why do you only do Lyft? He goes, Uber won't let me on the platform. I go, well, you're on the Lyft platform. How are you not getting on the Uber platform? He goes, well, I don't want to do it anyway. I like Lyft more. I'm like, do you realize 75% of the business of any market's business is Uber, right? Why would you not want to do Uber and Lyft at the same time? And, you know, sell your time to the highest bidder. He was like, at the end, he was kind of convinced. I go, email me, whatever. But there are still people, Chris, who are only on a single app. I run into that quite a bit. It blows my mind. I mean, unless you got deactivated, you know.
I mean, I don't get it. I don't know why people have, the inkling to say, hey, I am going to stick on one app and be loyal to that when they don't have any loyalty to you.
Yeah. For Lyft, to me, it used to be the filler, Uber, I've done over 10,000 trips. Probably 90% would be Uber. But now, even on base,
we don't talk about Fight Club.
Yeah, we don't do that. But on Lyft, I feel like I've done more Lyft lately than Uber. So I don't know. I think, look, man, you need to have all these apps on. You need to fire them all up and just sit and see what happens. See what's coming in.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.